watching another shooting video from the Bohemian Hunting Club. Here we go, doing the flight trajectory with the Winchester Deer Season XP and 243 at about 50 yards. This is shooting through the boards, water jugs in between them with the scientific grid going on, and we're seeing if there's any deviation in flight path from the first board to the last board of penetration. So y'all stick around and let's see how it goes down. I can make a rhyme. Yay! Alright, I'm going to do the water trajectory test. 243 Deer Season XP, got about 50 yards downrange. Got the boards with the scientific grid on them, so we're going to see how going through the water jugs to see if there's any variation of the bullet from the as it travels through. All the boards are cut the same size, they're measured on the same size, everything and whatnot. So here we go. Hopefully we catch the bullet as well, but if not, hopefully we at least got all the boards. Alright, here we go. So here's the flight trajectory test of the 243 Winchester XP Deer Seasons. You see on the first board, we went right there. Our scientific grid, they're measured the same. So we're hitting at the line. Okay, moving a little over. What's interesting at this point, it goes from here. And we have actually two indentions there and there on the board number 3. So I mean, if you're looking, these are from the first water jug impact through the first water jug. I mean, they're really, if you go center to the line roughly, I mean, this ain't no exact, so 65. Yeah, I mean, it's almost identical on that. It just shifted over a little, and then this one was kind of odd that the bullet kind of, I mean, it stayed center, but it definitely, I guess, veered up. It probably as it broke off, you know, the spirals or whatever you want to call them, and the bullet probably caught. Well, this could actually be the answer right here. That might be why there's two indentions. Separation. Didn't even think about that. That's about the right size for that hole, and that's about the right size for that. So there you go. Well, let me, yeah. So the separation, that does explain a lot right there, now looking at it. So as it went through the jug, well, they kind of, you know, that's probably flicking around in the water and hit, and that impacted right about there. So still a good buckshot pattern. So there you go. And let's see what kind of expansion we got real quick on the copper. 243. We're going 3.8 on the lead. Yeah, about 3.1, and that's it. Oh, I guess so we can see what the weight is, what's left. The camera hasn't died. Our handy dandy nifty Scalarolo, 95 grain. And what do we got left on the lead? 23.8 roughly. Wind's blowing. Throw on the copper, and we are roughly 45. So there you go. Basically lost about half its weight. So there you are. That is the flight trajectory. So we flight trajectory went in, veered over just a little bit, then as it separated, there's the two impacts, and there you go. Thanks for watching.